Lesson 2-9, Formulas. So in this video, we're going to use basic formulas to solve, and not only just solving word problems with formulas, but also to solve for a specific variable in the formulas. So first off, let's look at what a formula would be. Formula is just an equation or a rule that shows a mathematical relationship between two or more quantities. And those quantities are going to have more than, the whole formula is going to have more than one variable involved. So let's take a look at our first example. A terrarium is 60 centimeters long, 30 centimeters wide, and 40 centimeters tall. What is the volume in cubic centimeters of the terrarium? The terrarium is going to be usually a rectangular prism, and to find the volume of a rectangular prism, it's going to be length times the width times the height. So if we have the height or the length at 60, we have the width at 30, and we have the height at 40. So I know that 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 times 6 would be 72. I have 3 zeros at the ends, so that's going to be 72,000 cubic centimeters. Now you could just do it on your calculator, 60 times 30 times 40, and you would still get the same answer. Next, find W when P equals 44 centimeters and L equals 13 centimeters. So this is using one of the formulas to find perimeter. And perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So if the perimeter is 44, the length is 13, we need to find the width. So I'm going to put plus 2W. So now let's simplify. 2 times 13 is 26. And this has to equal a total of 44. So the opposite of adding 26 is subtracting 26. So if I subtract 26 on both sides, I'm left with 18. So right now I have 18 equals 2W. To get W by itself, I divide by 2. And the width is going to equal 9 centimeters. And if I put that back in there, 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 26 gives us 44. Next, here we need to find the length when they give us the perimeter. The perimeter is 28. I need to have 2L because we're finding the length, and the width is 8. So now I have 28 equals 2L plus 16. The opposite of adding 16 is subtracting 16. 2L equals 12. The opposite of dividing by or multiplying by 2 is divide by 2. The length is going to give us 6 inches. Next, here we're finding area of a rectangle. So find the width when the area is 55. And the length is 11. So we need to find the width. So the opposite of multiplying by 11 is dividing by 11. The width is going to be 5 millimeters. This next one, find the length when the area is 42 and the width is 3. So I have 42 equals 3L. Divide by 3 on both sides. And the length is going to give us 40. Not 42, it'd be 14. So 14, and this would be 14 feet. Next, here we're finding the volume when they give us the length, the width, and the height. So we need to find the volume when the length is 6, the width is 3, and the height is 9. So if I multiply those, 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times 9, I'll just grab my calculator quickly. 18 times 9 is going to give us 162. So this would be 162 square feet, because it's dealing, or not square feet, cubic feet, because it's volume. And then this one, we're using area. So they gave us the area of 117. They gave us the length of 9. We need to find the width. So I'm going to divide everything by 9. And the width is going to equal, 9 goes into 11 one time. 11 minus 9 is 2. Bring down to 7, so 27. 9 goes into 27 3 times. So this would be 13 inches. And then our last one, find the length when the perimeter is 48 and the width is 6 centimeters. So the perimeter is 48, equaling 2 times the length plus 2 times 6 because the width is 6. So this is going to give us 12. So 2 length plus 12 has to give us 48. Subtract 12 on both sides to get the 2L by itself, and we're left with 36 equaling 2L. Final step is divide by 2 to get L by itself, and the length is going to give us 18, and this will be 18 centimeters. So that is our lesson on formulas.